Hi guys. Today I am going to show you how to properly move your blog from Tumblr to WordPress. I already created the WordPress hosting account. If you need advice on how you can do this, check the description of the video. I am going to share some links about the WordPress install. This is the subdomain I already created in WordPress. Let's go to Tools and then Import Page. Below the Tumblr option there is a button called Install Now. Let's click it. After this, let's press on Run Importer. For this to work, we need to create an app on Tumblr. So let's right-click on this link and select Open Link in a new tab. Let's press on Register Application and register a custom app. The info I will write here will be for a demo app. Please be sure to follow the steps on the WordPress. After this, we will copy the consumer key and secret key as well. Press on Connect to Tumblr. On this page we need to click Authorize the application. On the next page press Allow. Now we can press on Import this blog. The system will do the rest. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel if I helped you. Have a great day.